All right, y'all, just checked out my hotel, man. It is sunny and stuff out here, feeling wonderful. Y'all see I got my jackets off. It feel wonderful, dog. It was supposed to storm and all that today, but I'm glad it didn't storm, so we was able to get some decent content. Drop that motorcycle off with no rain, no issues, nothing like that. Oh, I thought I was about to get in the dough. It's not the Raptor. It's not that automatic, you ain't even got to touch the key. This one, you got to touch the key every time. Like, I don't even know where the keys is at. But we're here at a Holiday Inn Convention Center. I know some of y'all out there been here before. Texarkana, Arkansas. We're gonna get it cracking, dog. We about to head to the mall real quick before our flight. See if we can find some college sweaters or something like that real quick, man. Alrighty, guys, man. We done went to the mall. We done got some cool little food. Now it's time to gas this little gas up that we did use back up, and then head back to the airport, man. So it actually slurped that whole little 15 up. We ain't even go nowhere. But that's that. And there goes our ride, guys. There goes our ride. We've been waiting here half the day. Alrighty, y'all, it's time to get in this rain. Hold up. Oh, it's time to get in the rain, dog. What's up, man? Have a good one, dog. Yes, sir. Going up to the plane, man. Oh, it's pouring down out here, dog. Alrighty, guys, we have finally made it back to Las Vegas, man. Long freaking trip, raining and whatnot, storming, but it's finally time. We made it back to the West Coast, man. It's time to go hop in that joint, throw the doors up, and hit the strip, man. Can't wait, man. So let's get it in, dog. Alrighty, guys, here we are. Big eye, sir. I'm digging it, right? Waiting for me and everything, man. I gotta go pay for this little ticket real quick. But y'all see it here first, dog. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are on our way to go ship all these orders and stuff out, man. We got about 4 or 5 bags, 200 orders right now. About to go ship these joints out and get it together, get up to speed, man. So let's go to the post office real quick, get this situated, come back to the house, and see what's in these other boxes, man. Alrighty, so this is what our basket is looking like. This one is full of orders. We got 3 trash bags full of orders. And then we got this one, man. How long y'all think it's gonna take, man? Let me know right now in the comments below. But we getting it in. Alrighty, man. We got pretty much half of that stuff shipped out. A little bit more than half. We probably got about 60 orders left. So every time we go in there, we break the printer, and literally it takes forever to get this stuff shipped out, man. But tomorrow morning we'll complete this task. Meanwhile, let's head back to the house, open up them boxes, and see what we got going, man. We was literally in there for 2 hours and still didn't finish what we needed to, but you know, it's all good. I guess it's part of the job, man. So let's get it in. my God, guys. We finally got the freaking paint set in for the Road Glide. When I tell you this thing looks way better in person, I can't even explain to you enough. This green looks like, look at that green. That thing looks so killer. And I feel like this camera doesn't even do the justice. Like, it really doesn't do justice at all. At all. It don't do justice. But, I mean, you can get... I haven't even checked out the tank. Oh, man, this thing is nice. Got the little silver pinstripe. That's dope. Got the bags. Got the little graphics on there, pinstriped up, ready to go. Yeah, man. How y'all liking this green, though, dog? Like, I can't even hold you. This thing look crazy right here. It looks so good. I ain't gonna even hold you. I was kind of skeptical about buying a paint set off eBay. But, man, when you put it like this, thing look cold, dog. Got our rear fender right here, looking all good and green. Can't wait to throw that on. I'm actually want to put it on today. Now that I got some time, I think I'm gonna freaking put that bike up on the jack and get it going. Try to get at least the back end done, and then we'll worry about the engine pieces and all that after that, along with the gas tank after. But I think we can start getting the back end at least together. This whole section right here, we should be able to get that together. And then we do have the brand new inner fairing. It's not color matched, but it is a gloss black, so we'll leave that like that. But man, I know that Road Glide is gonna come together better than ever now. I can't wait. I'm really excited now, dog. We got the outer fairing right here, and check it out. Big Daddy-O. I don't want it to fall out of my hands. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that green is something different. Really like that green, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. Whew. Yeah, that's a better view right there. That green is nice. I like that. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. We done shipped out most of our stuff, man. We was up there 2 hours, broke the printer, but we gonna get the other half shipped out in the morning. But meanwhile, I think I'm gonna clean up this real quick, at least move her car out the way, get that bike put up on a jack, and then try to get a little bit of work on that thing done, man. So let's see what we can get done. Alrighty, guys, we got that rear fender all tidied up and situated. Hopefully that bottom light they gave us works, man. We about to put this thing on and see if it go up. So I don't know. We're gonna see, man. Alrighty, guys, we got that back end tidied up, finished up, good to go. I'm hoping this backlight that they sent us works. If not, gonna have to take off that lower part again. No big deal, but it does look good, guys. Look at it up close. You guys can see those graphics a little bit better now. Got to put the tank on there. So we'll get that fuel filter and stuff switched out tomorrow. Get that tank on there tomorrow. And then as well, we'll pull off this outer fairing and finally see what's bent under here, so we can get that little piece too, and then be good to go. But we did get the front fender on here just to, you know, see how it would look, because we are going to gloss black the forks and the cups right there. So this thing will look a lot better here soon. Can't wait. Just have to get a quick mock-up and see how this thing would look. But man, I am digging this green. What do you guys think about it? I just can't wait to see it all complete and together, man. That's what I really can't wait to see. But oh, that green with that black and that silver on them wheels definitely look way better, man. What y'all think? Let your boy know in the comments below. Now, I was trying to get us some startup action, but my freaking key fob, the battery on that thing is dead, man. So I gotta go find a new battery for that key fob. Meanwhile, we gotta clean this garage up. It's so much shipping stuff and everything everywhere. I gotta have this thing looking decent, because this bike is coming together that much quicker than I thought, man. It saved us a lot of time not having to put those bags and stuff together. So now tomorrow when we get up, we can go ship the rest of those orders off, and then we can pop this front fairing off, because I didn't want to pop it off while everything was still here, just scattered everywhere. So now that we got most of the stuff here and out of the way, the stuff that we're going to take off, we'll know exactly where to put back. So let's get this garage cleaned up, get this thing pushed back in there, and see what's good. Man, y'all see the homie didn't pull it up on me in that yellow thing. Yeah, we back to back in the 98s now, man. I can dig it, I can dig it. That yellow coat. That yellow is cold, man. Y'all gotta let me know what color y'all think I should go. If I go any color, man, in the comments below. This thing is cold, though. I'm digging it, man. Alrighty, man. We done got this freaking thing semi done. Still got a lot to go, but it is looking a whole lot better already. You guys seen it in the light, so y'all get the vibe. Y'all see what it's looking like, man. You guys haven't entered the giveaway for this, man. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. But tomorrow we're gonna be focusing on this front end, so we'll be seeing what else we need to get up here, because we already got the outer fairing, inner fairing, but it's something behind here, maybe a couple brackets or so that's bent. So we'll take this off tomorrow and get this thing situated. But garage is clean, everything is looking good, so that's a plus. Now I can actually, you feel me, maneuver in this joint, dog. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Next day, back at the freaking post office trying to get the rest of these orders shipped out, man. So y'all should have those in a second. Got a few more here, got the baby here, but we getting it done, y'all. Got that green thing looking good. About to set this thing up on the jack, take that front fairing off, and see what's having that thing so bent up under there. It might be a bracket. If so, we got to get the whole little bracket thing. It's not that much, but just want to make sure. And then I am going to order the lowers and the cups today, already gloss black, so we can already just throw them on when we take it in. But it does look good, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, we got that outer fairing off. You guys can see it's definitely I don't think it might be the brackets. However, I think it might be this actual piece that holds the whole little fairing together. It's like a bracket that connects to the frame itself. So that might be our issue there. I think that's going to be it. I want to go down to Harley and get a diagram of this thing before I just start taking everything apart. Can actually probably slide this thing on here just to get an idea of what it may look like. That thing look kind of good. Look kind of good. Hold on, man. I'm gonna screw a screw or two in and see what's up, man. Hold up. Alrighty, guys. I wasn't even gonna do this, but when we took off that outer fairing, it was just a given. We had to see what this thing was gonna look like, dog. Can't wait now. Let's be clear. Something under here is bent. I believe it's this piece that connects to the frame. So we'll go to Harley and get a diagram. I'm sure if we get another one of those brackets, it'll straighten this thing out. But it does look a lot better without the little black casing around. Still got some glue and stuff around the lights. I'll get some Goo Gone and get all that off the lights. But when you look at it in whole, things look so good. Looks really good. Now I got the gas tank over there. I just got to switch out the fuel pump and that Peacock over there. Haven't did it before, but we'll get there, man. We'll get there. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all haven't entered the giveaway for this joint, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get yourself a keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Because this thing is freaking clean. I love this. This thing reminds me so much of my Camaro. You guys see how it look? It looked real similar to this. Green with the black with the silver pinstripe. Oh man, I'm digging it. Can't wait to throw that tank on there, get this thing complete. What y'all think about it though, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. I can't wait. Make sure you go get your entry for the giveaway right now, dog. We about to get this thing shining and gliding. But in the meantime, we're gonna push it back, head up to Harley, and get some other little stuff situated. But for now, it is looking cool, man. You know, it took really quick. And it's looking really good, man. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. That road glide is coming together faster than you know it, man. Next thing you know, it's gonna be complete, man. And you're gonna be like, man, I should have put in on that one, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway on the 2017 road glide, man, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Because you guys see we headed to Arkansas, you seen we headed to Cali, man. We heading to Washington soon. It could be at your door next, man. So make sure you head over there right now. Go get your entry, man. Let me know what you guys think about the road glide so far. But in the meantime, man, I got a little time before I got to hop back on that plane. So with that being said, man, I have to catch you guys in a sec, dog. Peace.